Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to animate in Canva. Animating in Canva allows you to bring your designs to life by adding motion effects to elements, text, or entire pages. Here is how you can do it. Launch open the Canva application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account first. After you are logged in, go ahead and open up a recent design that you'd like to animate on, or you can also create a new design. I'm gonna open up an existing design. Once you open up the design, select any elements within the page you'd like to animate, and from the bottom tool menu, select Animate option. Browse through the animation options such as rise, pan, fade, pop, wipe, blur, etc. and choose one of the animation type. Now, if you want to customize this chosen animation, tap on the little slider button within the animation that you just selected, and then you can choose the scale by dragging the little white dot. If you want to increase or decrease the scale, then you must be a pro subscriber for Canva. Apart from that, you can also choose the in and out options from the list, but make sure to be a pro subscriber in order to adjust your selected animation. You can also look for other animations available. Simply scroll around the features and the chosen animation will be applied to your element or text. You can also go ahead and scroll through the bottom menu and look for other animations such as add-on effects to your animation. Go to the General tab and look for other animations as well. Choose one of the elements from the list, and once you are done, you will be able to add the animation to your project. So that is how you can easily animate on Canva. Experiment with Canva Pro exclusive animations for more advanced effects if available. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.